Hello students, today we will learn decision making statement in Java. You can also say it as a else if statement, if else statement. So many names are there. So we will do a program that is going to check whether a given number which you will input through keyboard is greater than 0, less than 0 or equals to 0. But we will use decision making statement in this particular program and we will take input from the user itself. Okay, so to understand it complete, watch the video till the end, and if you find it useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get the notifications of upcoming topics. So let's start with our programming. First of all, we have to import the package. Then we will import the util package. Util package is basically used to import to take input from the user by using a scanner class. Now I will create a class. I will give my class name as public class conditional. Then open the braces. Then write public static void main. In the bracket we will write string args. Now open the main entry point of the class. Now I will declare this scanner. I have created the object of a scanner class, that is SC. Here I will write new scanner within brackets system dot in. Now first of all I will declare a variable in. Suppose I will declare it as a num. Now we will give a message to our user that they need to enter a number. So enter a number. Now user will enter the number. Now take input of that number. So we will write num is equals to sc dot. For taking integer as an input we use next int function. Then after it, now we will apply the conditional statement. Suppose we have to apply two condition over here or three condition. Then first condition we will write as a if. If num is greater than 0, अगर नंबर हमारा greater than 0 होगा तो obviously बात है, तो हमारा आउटपुट क्या आना चाहिए, नंबर is greater than 1. We will write number is greater than 1. Okay, then close this. Now I will write second condition using else if statement. When we will have to, we also say it as a else if ladder. So here first condition we will always write as if, second with the else if. Now I will give the test condition over here. Next condition which I will give, that is num is less than 0. Okay, इसका मतलब जो यूजर ने नंबर एंटर किया है वो 0 से कम होगा. Now I will give the output statement. Under this I will write number is less than 0, or you can simply write number is less than 0. Okay, here I have write less than 1, but I will keep it as number is greater than 0. Okay, now next condition which I will pass. Now I will close the braces. लास्ट कंडीशन एल्स. ऑटोमेटिकली अगर आपका नंबर एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहा है ग्रेटर में, ना ही आपका नंबर एग्जिस्ट करता है लेस देन में, इट मीन्स आपका नंबर इक्वल है. ओके, सो वी विल राइट सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट println number is equals to 0. Now I will close its braces. Now I will place the public static void main, and I have also closed this particular class. Okay, now I'm going to compile it. This is my program. Here I have given two conditions. In else we will not pass any condition. if is used for true condition, and if both the condition will not work, then it will print this particular output. So let's try it. Let's compile it. Compile. Click on compile button. Then it will found an error. Let's check what error it will get. It will not get the symbol out, system.out. Let's see what we have done. Because we have not mentioned here print ln, only we have mentioned print l, so it is a mistake. Again compile it. Again error. It means what we have done. Let's check it. Okay, it will again didn't get the symbol. Then here I have also forget to write this ln, so mention here. Now again compile it. To learn programming, don't think that कि हमें फर्स्ट टाइम में ही हमारा प्रोग्राम सही हो जाएगा. अगर आप लोग ये कोशिश करेंगे कि हम एरर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फाइंड करें तो आपको ज़्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होगा. नाउ अब हमने कंपाइल किया, नो सिंटेक्स एरर इज देयर. नाउ आई विल क्लोज इट. ओके, आफ्टर दैट I will right click here, void main. Now I will click on OK. Then enter a number. Suppose I will enter 10. Then what is the result? Your number is greater than 0. Clear? Now again I will do one more thing. Again I have, now I will pass -5. So number is less than 0. Clear? So this is how we will perform programming. So to become a good programmer, you need to practice a lot. And I have used this BlueJ software. You can use any other software like NetBeans, Eclipse, JDK compiler. There are n number of software which you can use. This particular BlueJ software is specially meant for the school students. That's why I have used it. Thank you, students.